Okay, so I went to do a little investigating, tried to go up to where my grandfather's tractor is, my papa's tractor, but I still couldn't see, but it sounded a lot closer there. Okay, new phone, iPhone 15, so excited. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lil Clay Clay. So I'm at work right now. One of the managers got me these cool watering pans. You know, not watering pans, there's these little things that, as you can see, I have this defuse over, so that way if it leaks, it won't get on the floor. And I'm really grateful for that. I think for these smaller ones, it could also help it make humidity, because in order for it to produce heat, there needs to be hot air around it, or it needs to be in a closed space. Without it, it can't produce heat, but it will still purge either way. But anyway, what have we here? It's the wire. If you guys are new here, my name is Lil Clay Clay, and I have 5 functioning autism. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Alright, so I am now at my brother Gabe's baseball game. And right now I'm just trying to have a few minutes to myself. I've had a bit of a tough day at work, and then had a bit of a heat anxiety attack and a breakdown, and when that happens, I pretty much have to fend for myself. So I clearly got more than ever, because he's really the only one I feel truly loved by, for making me special, for being autistic, on how he made me special. And that's why he didn't send me film though, because I got a little frustrated at work. So and it was a machine that I had spent a whole lot of time fixing, and then a wire broke, and the wire is infixable. So just whenever I have one of those moments where I need to sit and relax, it's pretty much all day unless someone tells me to do something. Then I had to go to my parents' house before my brother's game if I wanted to go. So anyway, thought I recognized the person over there. No, I'm just watching the steer play on the playground until it's game time. Waving at the camera. Yep, not much longer till it's actually the week before my birthday. Not much longer until I'm 23. Some things I plan on accomplishing. I mean, age, not specifically because I'm 23, but like just some things I want to just accomplish. No, I mean, not as a 23-year-old, but like some things that might be fun to accomplish at 23, because age isn't really a thing to me anymore, because we're all young in God's eyes. And I embrace my inner child a lot, so I'm pretty much have the personality of a kid and a teenager. So hope that's a plane and not thunder. Okay, so I'm trying to find Gabe. I don't know, I think he's number 4, but I don't think he's in yet. I don't see him. I guess his team's batting first. Yeah. There's Gabe. Looks like they got him on the bench. Probably gonna put him in a minute. It's actually been a while since I've watched him play.
Connor on the bag. Outfield, ball's in. What you got, Charlie?
Let's go, Gabe. Go, Gabe, go, Gabe, go. Aw, dang it. Good try, Bubba. dang it. Come on, Gabe, you got it. Come on, buddy. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, man, for the ball. That's him. Oh crap, I missed him. Let's see what Gabe's doing now. He's going up. Nope, he's getting something out of his bag, getting his drink. Gotta stay hydrated. So I'm about to hop in the shower and then I'm gonna move my cat's litter box. This little beast right here. As you can see, he's a little bit fussy today. Don't you clean this bag? I will attack you, just I will spank you. Good girl. She's still been going to the bathroom right around that corner. So I'm gonna clean it up and then I'm gonna move her litter box over here. Might cause a bit of a problem because that's the side where I get ready, but at least hopefully she will stop peeing on the floor for once, because it's been driving me crazy. I think she's failing to understand that I am the last person in our family that will take you. Yeah, I'm gonna leave her alone. She's getting a little feisty. Okay, so I came out here about to move my stuff because it sounded like my grandfather was out here mowing. But to my surprise, it doesn't sound like a mower because it's actually coming from out in the woods. It sounds like one of the machines near the construction. So part of me wants to mow, but I have to do some stuff around the house. So right now I'm worried more about getting the house ready for my brothers than mowing. And plus it's what in the world is that? I'm gonna do a thumbnail real quick. Alright, so okay, that sounds okay, weird. I'm gonna check up on Cedric here while I'm out here. Let's see. I don't think he likes it either. Other than he likes to hide in here. So this is his little cage. I know I mentioned it before, and I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm gonna have to check this while after I'm done recording because I have to hold this up. It won't stay up, as you guys can see, but I got him some new pellet bedding a few weeks ago because the shavings weren't really doing this as good as I wanted them to do, and plus he didn't really like them because he never really burrowed in them. But so I got him some wood pellet bedding, and this is my first time checking to see how good it's doing. If anyone wants to buy this, sorry, stupid noise. Make sure it's actually bedding and not food, because there also is a wood pellet rabbit food as well. Okay, so I went to do a little investigating, tried to go up to where my grandfather's tractor is, my papa's tractor, but I still couldn't see, but it sounded a lot closer there. I still don't know what that is, but I'm pretty sure my papa and a couple of my neighbors, I guess pretty much all my neighbors who live on my side of the road, aren't real happy about it. I don't know what it is. I'm hoping that if my grandpapa does decide to mow, I don't get the sound of his mower confused for that sound over there, because that's why I came out here, because I thought it was him mowing. I was gonna move my stuff for him. I might see if I can get my brother to mow, so he can kind of show my papa where he needs to mow. What do you want? So, someone's being a bit of a fussbud today. What are you fussing about? I'm speaking to you. Calm down. I'm gonna put her on the bed, see if she'll calm down there. Stop that. So it's a bit later in the afternoon, 3:08 p.m. to be exact. I'm just sitting here on my bed. This is kind of sometimes what I do on days I don't really have anything. It's actually what I used to do when I came home from school on Fridays. Literally, obviously, because it's the one day of school I don't have to do homework, because I hate doing homework. But anyway, I'm about to get up out of this bed here and finish what I need to do, because my mom's gonna bring my brothers here in an hour, so gotta give you some more food. I'm gonna clean up the spot with my cat does her business on, and then I'm gonna move her litter box. As you can see, she was in there eating her food. I'm gonna make this look neat for my brothers when they get here. And then I might go, actually no, I'll wait till either they get here or until 5 o'clock to get started on their dinner. This is gonna be their dinner for tonight. It's this cheeseburger. It's basically cheese. I think it's supposed to be kind of like Hamburger Helper. And I'm actually gonna be using my big Instapot. It's been a minute since I've used my big Instapot, because I've been using my little one because I wanted to get a smaller one to use when I cook for myself. So I have 2 Instapots. There's the big one. So, I'm actually gonna go check the mail again later on, because I forgot to get the mail last night. As you can see, we're supposed to get some nasty storms today. Please excuse the grassy yard, but as you can see, it's a little windy and it's getting a little dark-ish. So you got some gray clouds right up there. And as you can also, let me show you guys again. Sorry, I just can't really see. And up. Looks like I jinxed it. Mr. Sun's side, he wants to come back out. Oh, that was a rabbit. But anyway, as you can hear, the noise is finally gone. I still don't know what that noise is, but I guess we'll see. I mean, I'm gonna go get the mail in a minute. I might go and ask my papa if he figured out what it is. But first, let's go ahead and clean up that little spot and move the litter box. Hopefully you will stop peeing in my bathroom. Yes, you. She likes to sit on my bag. Don't go to bed on my bag either. Okay, so now I moved the litter box. See that? I moved your litter box. Hopefully that'll keep her from peeing on the floor again. I gotta take care of my plants here. I am bad at remembering to water my plants. Thought it would be a tight fit, but if you look here, it's not really too much of a tight fit. I might have to move it if I want to get something out of the cabinet, but I'm not too worried about that. Okay, so did he go down? So anyway, I think what's next thing on my list? Next thing. Clean up these counters, and then I might just run a stick vacuum through the kitchen floor, because here I'm just gonna mop. Just gonna vacuum and mop. I got my little Shark Vac mop. That's what I'm gonna do. Make it look nice. Hopefully do it before my brothers get here. So it looks like, just as the weather predicted, gonna get some crazy nasty storms today. Already got some storm clouds coming in. Just went to go, saw some thunderheads when I was going to get the mail. And then so I figured out what the mystery sound was. They were doing something with the plant, cleaning the water out or something, and that was the truck and its machine taking out all the water. So that settles that. I'm gonna go in the house and do a bit of sweeping and mopping before my brothers get here. This is where I moved her little box, so we're gonna see. Hopefully she won't pee on here anymore. Maybe that's what she wanted. Last time I moved that, I didn't put it in the exact spot because I thought it wouldn't be enough room. But as you can see, because this is where I do this is my spot when I get ready for the day. But as you can see, it's not really a tight fit. You know, I can sit here perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and start mopping. So now it's starting to get real nasty. I just heard some thunder up, and there comes my mom dropping off Gabe to see her. I feel bad for him. I was hoping. So now they're gonna have to park over there. It's not really what's the painful part. Whenever it's muddy, we have to walk through the grass. Oh, there's Nevaeh. Goodness, here he's just sitting on here. I cannot believe you can fit your whole body onto that small little seat. That is so crazy. They're here, they're watching the emoji. They got rained on. It only rained for a bit and then it calmed down.
Can I play the Nintendo Switch?
Let me charge it, buddy. So we got the guys eating their brownies. Just made some brownies in a toaster oven. These are supposed to be some peanut butter brownies. I don't really taste any peanut butter. Let me look at the box can, oh wait. Oh, this is just another recipe. And who cares? So chocolate fudge, and these are really good. I actually finally used my 9x9 pan for the first time. I didn't know I could put this in a smaller pan, so yeah. Okay, so here's a brief intermission, you could say, or more breaking news. So you're about to see another intro because I confused, as I realized just now, two separate blogs for one blog, but I figured since I already, as you saw, did that little post intro, I figured why not just combine them. So that's why you guys are seeing another intro. But yep, now back to the video. Good morning. It's Lil Click. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm about to go out here and make my brothers their breakfast because they're here staying over. They spent the night and are going to be staying here a bit today until this afternoon, I think. Possibly in the evening. Oh, do they still have that? There's this machine that's cleaning out some kind of waste plant, I think, that's near here. And that's the pump in the truck bringing it out. At least I think that's what that is. But anyway, this little beast here. So I moved her litter box, but guess what she literally did? She just found another spot to go to the bathroom on. But anyway, if you guys are new here, my name is Lil Clickla, and I have high functioning autism. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Okay, so the most amazing thing that's happened to me ever. So my mom was upgrading my phone. So around 11:40, I'm gonna turn my phone off and then turn it back on, and then I'm gonna get more storage. I'm actually really excited, because obviously I've done better about not recording on my phone too much and going ahead and going on Google Photos and making sure that the phone, just watching the little guys, my brother just ran through here, that my phone, I'll go on Google Photos and go ahead and delete the photos so it wouldn't mess up the storage, but that still can be kind of hard. So my mom decided, and so I'm really glad about this upgrade, and around 11:40 my phone will have more storage. So yeah. Okay, so crazy story. So it turns out I'm not just getting a new storage upgrade, I'm also getting a new phone. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it down a bit so it doesn't look like I'm bragging, because this really was a blessing from God, but also because, so this is kind of the story. So my mom, sorry y'all, was at the Verizon store. She was gonna get her a new phone as well, and I don't know if maybe they saw that since my phone is on the same account as hers, and they saw it and like, hey, does he want an upgrade too or anything like that? But they got a deal and they decided to upgrade. So I'm also getting a new iPhone. It's the iPhone 15 Pro, and I'm actually really excited. And let this be a lesson, guys, and an example of what happens when you're good with what you have and what God gives you, because that's kind of how I have the phone I currently have right now. Before I had this, and you'll hear this story before I had this, I had an iPhone 7, and I had it for years and years and years, even after they were starting to upgrade iPhones, make them like how they are now, because it's pretty much the same thing. But I could have probably told my mom, hey, can I get a new phone or something like that, but I didn't, because I was happy. Also money, but also because I was happy. And then one day my phone started acting up. The service kept going out, and it turned out I was due for an upgrade, and that's how I got this phone. And I'm actually very excited to get a new iPhone as well. So yeah. So my mom's gonna head down that way. I'm gonna get these little guys ready. Okay, new phone, iPhone 15, so excited. Okay, so I'm now recording on my new phone. OMG, you can kind of see it. As you guys can kind of tell, it's the iPhone 15 Pro. And one thing I've noticed is that it's a bit bigger than the 12 Pro, so that's really cool. So all I need is a case. I might see if my brother has a spare iPhone case I can borrow, but anyway, I'm hoping that I don't need to do anything with my iPad or anything like that. I'm going to look real quick, and then I'm going to do the dishes and possibly go to the Olympic to get me something to eat. So, yeah. Alright, so, just finishing up on a video. I'm going to stop for a second so I can go ahead and start getting ready for my brothers to come. And also, I have some, like I said, I need to get some lunch I need to do. So, as you can see here, the subscribe button isn't red. That's because, so in order to do the green screen on the app, if this was the, this was the website, you could just, there's one thing called an Ultra Keyer you could use. They don't have it on here, so in order for it to do the, green screen, you'd have to add alpha output, which is this blue line right here, and then you would have to kind of go around, see if you can get rid of all the green in order for it to show up. So, yep. Just gonna leave my iPad in here because I don't need it right now. Hoping I can keep my brothers from playing. I can get my brothers to play with something else.